Voncerus Portable Desk Light, 45-degree throw, goes onto the desk. It has 3 Kelvin, 25, 45, 6,000. Check online for further details about the warm, medium, cool of the kelvins. As we open up the box, laid inside is your instruction guide in foam. And what we're going to do is simply hook this up. It's very easy to do. Simply take out of the foam. Anywhere on the desk, take the pole, unscrew the clamp. On the clamp itself, it's got rubber located here. Place on, adjust, and lock down. Taking the pole, placing on, holding the cord, and screwing clockwise carefully. When adjusting, do not over tighten so you can place it in the angle you want. With the supplied 5-volt AC brick, plug into the outlet and plug in your cord and you're ready for use. You have the controls, 4-button press that will light up and have a scheduled time. This is a low light blue light showing you that the lights are on. Simply pressing one of the buttons turns the lights on and adjusts accordingly to the height by lifting up, bending down, and opening by increments and clicks. We have a recycle button after the on button. Warm, medium, cool Kelvin, 25 to 3000, 4000 to 4500, 55 to 6000 Kelvin. We have a 10-step increment in light level. By holding it, it dims down to the lowest level. No beeps, no flashes. Increasing by steps up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No increase of the maximum level. It is a 10 smooth or stepless unit that can increase or decrease by single step or long pressing. Changing the Kelvin is simply pressing on the button. The unit does not have a scheduled timer or time off. This is the light, adjustable in any angle, placed anywhere imaginable for your working area. Increase the light for the level of lighting you need. Change the Kelvin for the Kelvin you need. Running off of a portable bank by turning on workbenches, tables, and more. Working off of a power bank, portable, take it on the go, have a light that you can shine and move accordingly in one throw or multiple throws by opening up in steps to adjust to an angle in any shape or form. I hope you enjoy this product. If this is something that you're looking for in a portable desk light on the go where you need to have light to not disturb anyone in different kelvins and forms. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. Thank you for viewing.